What up, YouTube viewers, and welcome to JesusDrawz. Decided to be a little up and close, personal, no, I'm just kidding. I just had the camera in my hand, and if you haven't seen my last video, you should check it out. But I was looking through my closet, messy ass closet, and found this pair of jeans. Now this pair of jeans actually fits and is gonna look good. Hold on, let me focus this on my face. Alright, that's good. And I really liked the last video, so I decided, I'll try it again. So, if at any point in time you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe. Blah, 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 blah. Let's shoot. Oh, shit. He actually made it. Sombrero's going crazy. But anyways, I got this, got some designs. It's going to be edited and I'm going to transfer these over to here. So I'm going to cut these out real quick. It's going to be good. Let's get to it. Alright, so starting off, I got the old snippy snips and snipped out the homies one by one. Now, unlike the last video I did customizing clothing, with this one I wanted to have an idea and just designs down before I actually started painting. Not like the other one where it was kind of just freehand and free drawing and whatnot. But I cut these out so I can trace them onto the jeans first with a fine tip marker, just to help me with staying between the lines and having a clearer vision of how I wanted to separate these and just lay them out on the jeans. And also because I could put down a white coat of acrylic paint first, that way when I add the characters' unique colors, it will all stick out a little bit more. And like I said in the other video, I use an acrylic textile medium to mix with my paint, just to ensure that the paint stays on the jeans. Now I actually haven't washed anything that I painted, so I'm not really sure how that would turn out, but I'll probably will in the future and see how that goes. Alright, so after laying down that foundational white, I got the fine tip marker again and redrew them all with their crazy facial features, because they're going crazy. They just came up with a crazy scam to scam all the kids in the cul-de-sac. So, they happy as hell and they be looking crazy. And I had to add my own little twist and make them a little bit different. So I decided to give them piercings and like the hole in the teeth, make them a little bit different, just so they're not exactly like how the original characters look. And then I laid down the first coat of each character's color, then let that dry. I actually only applied 2 coats to the characters. That seemed to work, and it made the colors really stick out and kind of hide the marker that was underneath. But I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the music for a bit, and once I get to the inking part, I'm gonna butt in and let you guys know how that went. Alright guys, so basically I'm about to get into the line work portion of this. I first decided to color in Double D's beanie real quick. Which, by the way, we never find out what's under his beanie. I always wonder what was under that. What do you guys think is under Double D's beanie? Let me know in the comment section below. Personally, I think it's like a big ass fucking skull tattoo or something so badass, and it's like he just doesn't want to show it. He's ashamed of whatever he has tatted under his head, under his hat. But anyways, with this line work part, I'm still trying to figure out which brushes are gonna work best. Or I don't know, it just seems that on denim I had to go over a little bit, because just like the texture of the denim kind of leaves little white parts, and honestly that kind of bothers me because it just doesn't, it looks unfinished and not really very clean. But at some points I had to get that fine tip marker to help me out with those lines that were just a little too thin and too curvy for me to attack with the brush. But I definitely need to be on the lookout for better brushes, see which ones work best for line work. But it seems to me that for longer lines I use the brushes that kind of are longer and not the ones that come to a point. That's just me though. I'm still learning. I'm still noob at painting. This is just all practicing and, you know, learning along the way. But for the most part, these came out pretty dope. I'm pretty glad with the lines, and if you really look at it, the animation in Ed, Edd n Eddy has pretty like sloppy lines that just keep moving and whatnot, and I actually really like that aesthetic. It makes the cartoons look more lively when they're just like standing still and whatnot. So I actually really like that about the show a lot, and it's one of the shows that really inspired my style and whatnot. Just like the grotesque faces that they make and just wild features, all that shit really inspired me growing up as a kid. And just the sense of humor, it's that humor that connects to both adults and kids if you understand what's going on. But I can rewatch this show still and still love it. But pretty much just went in with the black acrylic paint to outline the majority of these. I did go back, like I said, with the fine tip marker a little bit, and I actually have this Micron brush pen that I also use too, which I use for the shadows more towards the end, as you guys will see. But overall, I'm actually super happy and glad with how these came out. These are sick, these are fresh, and they're hip. If you were living in the 90s when still watching Ed, Edd n Eddy. Just kidding, I really like these jeans though, they turn out pretty dope. But back to the music. And you know Ed, Edd n Eddy, you know they scammed Johnny out of his plank because he put plank up on eBay for $1 million. But they said fuck that, and they robbed his ass and they put him in the back of this pair of jeans. And now Plank is gonna be forever stuck in the back of these jeans, chilling, just looking out whatever is walking behind you. He's like a second pair of eyes in these jeans. But no, I just really wanted to do something to the back. I didn't want to add too much stuff because I just wanted to keep it simple and didn't want to make this video too long. So just added something in the back, decided, you know, might as well slip Plank into the back pocket cause why not, man? Plank's a pretty cool guy, man. He's chill. He accepts you no matter what. He doesn't say a thing. He don't judge you. He don't do anything. That's why Johnny was his best friend, you know. I'm just kidding. I don't know. Johnny was a weird dude. I think he was a schizophrenic or something. But hopefully Johnny's on the better, bigger and better things. But basically wrapping it up here, folks. Just a short little clip of me rocking these, you know, what it'd be like to be coming home on a typical day and it's me rocking these jeans. Little close-ups and whatnot. Alright, so here's the close-up, guys. You know, this is how it looked like if you're rocking these going up a little flight of stairs. You know, rocking them, and if you were to close that little door right there, and here's you, somebody would see you from the backside, scratching your ass, opening the door to get inside your comfortable home, going inside, you know, Plank still looking out for you. You know, close that door real quick. Ooh, looking fresh, and you look at yourself in the mirror like, God damn, these pants is fresh as hell. Eds can't even believe how fresh you are. That's why they be looking like that. But anyways, let me know what you guys think of the jeans and whatnot. Let me know what you think of the design. Any future jean ideas you want to see, more clothes customizations, let me know. Whoop, and here's the back side. Sorry, gotta show my non-existent ass to you guys. Ooh, kind of smells back there. But anyways, let me know what you guys think. Keep creating, spread the love. Don't forget to stay safe, stay indoors, wash your hands. Keep creating. Peace. Until next time, y'all, don't forget to subscribe, spread the love. I already said that. Spread the peace. I already said that too. Till next time.